This large, fiery twister caught on camera on July 12th has been confirmed by NWS as an EF-2 fire-induced tornado. The Firenado, which measured approximately 90 meters wide, formed over the Deer Creek Fire near the Utah-Colorado border and was nearly stationary as it raged for 12 minutes. Fires can produce tornadoes when the heat creates a strong updraft, pulling in cooler air that spins and forms a vortex. The tornado damaged one home, several other buildings, and a fire truck that was on scene battling the blaze. According to Utah officials, the Deer Creek Fire, which began on July 10th, was still only 7% contained a week later and spanned more than 6,300 hectares.